If you want to create hyper-realistic videos that you can use in your ads or your organic content, then this video is for you. I'll be showing you a very simple two-step process using Nano Banana and Kling AI to generate videos that you can run today while staying compliant with the terms of service of the platform that you're using. So this video that you see on screen of a fitness influencer is completely AI generated. Now, she does not exist. She's not based on any real person. 100% from the beginning, she is AI generated, which means that if you were to turn this video into an ad creative, let's say you put text on screen and a voiceover, you could be confident knowing that you're being compliant with Meta's terms of service or TikTok's terms of service, whichever platform you're advertising on. Or if you were to use this clip inside of your organic content, it's the same deal. Now, for the first step, you'll need to head over to higgsfield.ai. This is the platform that I use to access Nano Banana, and from what I've seen, has the cheapest rates of any other platform. You can generate a 2K image for about 8 cents and a 4K image for about 15 cents. And you get to that number when you divide the number of credits that you receive by the monthly subscription price. Now, before we continue, I'd like to clarify one thing. There's a difference between the platform that you use to generate the images and the model that's used to generate the images. For example, in this case, we're using higgsfield.ai. That is the platform that offers a subscription, but the model that we're using is Google's Nano Banana Pro model. And the reason this is important is because you can find the Nano Banana Pro model on other sites, but the service will vary. It might be more expensive. It might take longer. And from what I found, it's the easiest to use Nano Banana Pro on higgsfield.ai. So I'll have a link for this down below. If you use that, you can help support the channel. Now, generating an image with Nano Banana Pro is as simple as writing a prompt, selecting the model, selecting the size and the resolution. For the model, we'll of course use Nano Banana Pro. For the resolution, this will depend on the platform that you're using. So if you want to make vertical content that's for Instagram Reels, TikTok, or TikTok ads, then you'll want to do 9:16 vertical content. If you were to run meta static ads, that can be somewhere between 1:1 up to 4:5. And for the quality, I usually do 2K. I haven't seen much of a problem with that, but if you want to get the extra detail, you can do 4K. Just note that if you run 4K, it will consume 4 credits instead of the usual 2, which again, 2 credits is about 8 cents, 4 credits is about 15 or 16. You can see just how hyper-realistic this content is. And this is all from a single sentence prompt where I said, blonde woman holding pre-workout, standing in the gym, looking at the camera, soft lighting. And of course, on the surface, this looks fine. However, if you were to look closer, you would notice that she is holding a protein scooper and her pre-workout says pre-workout on the side. So she's not actually holding a container of pre-workout. So whenever you're prompting, you need to be able to be specific with these sorts of things. Specify, is she holding a shaker? Is there a liquid in it? What color is the liquid? And the more specific you can get the prompt, the higher quality images that you can create. So what you can also do is generate a batch of images, which is what I've done on screen. Simply find this option, which is batch size, and you can choose up to 4 images at a time. The reason for doing this is that it allows you to see different variations of the same prompt so that you can choose the image that you like the most. Now, once you have your image selected, it's time to go over to klingai.com. What we need to do is convert the image into a video, and there's a few tools that can do this. However, in my opinion, Kling AI has the most realistic movements whenever you generate content using it. What you'll want to do is go to your dashboard on Kling AI, go over to AI Video Generator, and then choose Image to Video. Here, we'll upload the image that we just generated as the starting frame. And then for the prompt, simply write what you'd like the character to do. So for this example, I kept it very simple. I said she shifts her weight from side to side. So she does a little bobbing. And as you can see, the output is very realistic. Now, I want to share with you a tactic that you can use whenever you edit this video and turn it into one of your ad creatives. You might notice that at the beginning, she stands still for a few seconds. So if you want to make it look more realistic, you can actually cut out the first few seconds of this video. So then whenever the clip starts, she's already in motion and it appears more natural. That's just a little tactic for you guys at home, and I hope that helps. If you found this video helpful, you know what to do. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel because I'm going to make more content just like this, giving you actual screen shares, tactical advice for leveraging AI inside your business, whether that is e-commerce, software, you name it. And if you want to see my full talk that I gave to a room full of entrepreneurs going over strategies just like this, then you can click the video right here on screen.